Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if your pattern is not recognized on POCO C85. So first, power off your phone by clicking and holding the power on button and volume up button, and then sliding to power off. And wait for your phone to fully power off. We will attempt the safe mode to bypass any glitches that may occur when you try to put in your pattern. So now, power on your phone, and when you see the logo, then click the volume up and down button and hold it till your phone restarts. Okay, and as you can see, now I am in the safe mode. So try to put in your password in here. If it's still not working, then power off your phone once again, and we will need to perform a factory reset of your phone. Remember that all your data will be lost, so if you can't afford that, then contact brand support for further assistance. Now power on your phone and click power on button and volume up button. When you see the logo, let go of the power on button and just hold the volume up button. And now we're in the recovery menu. Click volume down button to wipe data, and power on button to confirm. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.